In this video, I'm going to be talking about using email marketing to grow your business. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I wanted to talk about using email marketing to grow your business. Now, email marketing is something that people don't really think about when they're getting started with their own business. They're just more focused on how they're going to sell their product or service and how they're going to market it. But when you understand email marketing, this is probably the cheapest way that you can advertise your product or your service to the people who are on your email list. Now, if you don't have an email list or you're not working towards building up an email list from people who have bought your product or your service from you in the past, or people who are interested in your business, then you're just leaving a lot of money on the table. If you really want to grow and scale your business, you should practice on getting people to buy products from you as repeat customers. If you're not trying to figure out a way that you can get people to buy from you as repeat customers, then you're going to have to be constantly looking for new customers all the time. Now, you should always be looking for new customers regardless, but just having people buy from you over and over again, that's going to really take your business to the next level. Especially if the customers are really happy with the product or the service that they're buying from you. All of the top businesses out there, they use email marketing to attract repeat customers or even people who have never bought from them, and promote like new products that are coming out or new sales. So let me explain how you can use email marketing to grow your business. So the first thing that you have to do is that you have to focus on building your email list. So basically, these are people who give you their email address in exchange for something that's going to be valuable. So whatever business that you're in, you should be providing something like a free offer or a free report that's going to benefit them with whatever business that you're in. So let's just say, for example, if you're in like a e-commerce, if you're running an e-commerce business where you're selling like something like t-shirts, you can offer people like a 10% discount if they enter in your email. So what you can actually do is you can create something like a landing page, and you can just direct people by just letting them know, hey, give 10% off your purchase if you enter in your email address. And then they'll also receive updates or new products that come out from your clothing line. So let's say that somebody enters in their email address and they receive an email with 10% off that they can use whenever they buy one of your products. Now they're going to be entered onto your email list, and this is going to be representing your email list of all the people who entered their emails. So let's say that somebody entered in their email address and they got the 10% off for your clothing brand. Let's say a t-shirt that they were interested in buying, and they buy that t-shirt just because they had the 10% off. And this is going to be a horrible drawing of a t-shirt, but let's say they buy this shirt only because they got 10% off of that shirt. And then they might think, okay, that was cool, but I mean, they're not sure if they're going to buy anything else from you. But what you can do is you can actually use email marketing to promote other products that you have or other sales that you're going to have later on down the line. So, I mean, you can just send them an email saying, hey, this shirt, you bought this shirt, and here's another cool shirt that you might be interested in as well. You can just market that to them. And if they buy it, I mean, that's cool. If not, I mean, that's also cool because you still have their email address. They're going to be on your list, so you can market other products. Let's say a hoodie, a hat. It's going to be okay, that was a terrible drawing of a hat. But let's say a hat. There you go. Or a hoodie. Anything that's going to be related to your product or it's going to be delivering value. So it really depends on the business that you're in. So let's say the holidays are coming up. You can offer them an email. You can send them an email where you're going to be offering them 25% off their whole purchase if they buy, let's say, $100 worth of merchandise. So somebody who is going to be interested in your brand or your product, they're going to most likely take advantage of that offer if you have like a limited time sale. Let's say that you have a sale that's only lasting for the weekend, and they can take 25% off their entire purchase. So that's how you can use email marketing to grow your business. If you just promote a product, let's say that you're advertising this t-shirt right here, and you're just saying, hey, buy this shirt, I mean $10 off or 10% off only today, but you're not giving them a call to action, you're not asking for their email address, then you're leaving money on the table. They might buy that shirt for 10% off, but if you don't capture their email, then most likely they won't come back as a repeat customer. They might just take advantage of that 10% off, but that's about it. So what you want to do is you want to capture people's email address so you can market your other products or other sales that you have later on down the line. So your goal when it comes to your business is to grow your email list. The more people that you have on your email list, the more likely you are to sell products. So let me give you guys an example. So let's say that you have this huge email list that you've been working on. You have about 10,000 people on your list, and you've been growing it over time steadily. You have an email list of 10,000 people. So what you're gonna do is, let's say that you have a new product coming out, and it's gonna be like another t-shirt. Like I mentioned, I'm not that good at drawing, but you can let people know, you can let everybody on your list know that you have this new hot selling t-shirt coming out. You can send what's called a broadcast email out to them and let them know, hey, I got this new t-shirt out, it's available now, get it before it's gone. And let's say out of these 10,000 people, only 5,000 people open up that email and they see this shirt that you're selling now. And out of these 5,000 people, let's say only 250 people actually click the link that's going to take them to the sales page to buy this shirt. And out of these 250 people, let's say that 100 people actually buy the shirt. So if you're selling this t-shirt for $20, 100 times 20, I mean, you guys can do the math right there. That's what, $2,000? So that's the power of using email marketing. It is a numbers game. So I advise you guys to work on growing your email list if you want to grow your business, because that's where the money is. Marketing to people over and over again and conditioning them to your brand and getting them closer to making a buying decision. So that's basically how you can use email marketing to grow your business. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned something new from it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're somebody who's looking to get started with your own online business, but you don't know where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description to learn more. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.